Hello guys, I want to share how to complete other tasks in Binance Storms 9. So I already completed the deposit giveaway, deposit gateway. Now the trade tower. So how to complete the trade tower? So earn up to $10. Just trade $175 in volume guys into spot trading. So excluded po guys yung zero fee pairs. So yan, I use BTC USDC. First thing you do, click trade, click turn the limit to market, then I trade 41 USDC max and sell. So back and forth guys until we accumulate $175 in volume. So this is the reward. Open it guys. Then I receive 17 kite. So 17 kite as of now, kite USDT. 17 $1.95. So not bad guys. So it's pending. So the other reward guys I already claimed. No, the first is 2 USDT, 2 USDC, and the deposit gateway of worth of $1.9 of BNB. So let's wait guys to be available in voucher. So just check always guys here. So go to profile, my voucher, then check the available. So this is my past voucher. So after you complete, it will check. So the other task, the spot boulevard, this is fully claimed guys, so no more reward in this task. So but we need to complete this guys if you want to complete the whole chain of tasks to get bigger reward. But as of now I will jump to another task with rewards. So I already completed the trade tower. So let's jump on trade pavilion, the D5 of the event, of the campaign. So this task is 5 or the trade pavilion task. So trade $199 spot. So just trade guys. So the same din guys no. So trade BTC USDC po yung gamit natin. So buy and sell lang tayo guys until we reach $199 volume. After you complete the volume, then open the mystery box. Then the reward is kite again. So 17 kite again. So these two tasks I received 17 kite. So 217 kite. So almost $4 guys. I received this two tasks no. So the trade tower task and the trade pavilion. So the another task is so another task guys. So the build smart share. So together square. So this is the invite friends no. So just click the share, then copy the link, then share to your friends no. If someone click and join the event guys, you will complete this uh, task no, the landmark 6 together square task. So that's all guys for this day. So I will leave the link in the description so that you can start guys. So thank you for watching.